Discover the best in local business news with a subscription to the IBJ and Inside Indiana Business. For a limited time, try us out for just $1 a week for 8 weeks. Claim this limited time offer now at ibj.com/trial offer.
This is Inside Indiana Business Radio on demand for Wednesday, May 20th, 2026. I'm Gary Dick. Oakland City University has announced plans to lay off faculty and staff at the end of the month and suspend undergraduate programs for at least the upcoming academic year. The university did not specifically give a reason for the latest moves, but it previously cited financial challenges, and rumors of a potential closure had been swirling for days. While pausing undergraduate programs, Oakland City says graduate programs will continue. U.S. News & World Report has released its annual ranking of the best places to live in the U.S., and 2 central Indiana cities are right at the top. Carmel and Fishers have taken the top 2 spots, respectively, with more than a dozen other Indiana cities making the list for this year. U.S. News ranked more than 850 cities. Noblesville also made the top 25, and you can see the complete list at InsideIndianaBusiness.com. State and local officials have broken ground on Consolidated Grain and Barge Company's $47 million expansion at the ports of Indiana, Mount Vernon. It's the largest investment at Indiana's largest port in more than 20 years. Consolidated Grain and Barge is a wholly owned subsidiary of CGB Enterprises. The project will triple grain handling capacity of the company's soybean processing operations at the Ohio River Port. Indiana is one of the nation's leading soybean producing states, and the Mount Vernon port serves as a major gateway for ag exports, handling some 5 million tons of cargo annually. From the state's #1 source for Indiana business news, you're listening to Inside Indiana Business Radio. Indiana, start your engines. Join us from the Indianapolis Motor Speedway for our Emmy Award-winning Business at the Brickyard, presented by LiUNA. All month long, we'll bring you exclusive interviews, features, and a behind-the-scenes look at how the business of motorsports and racing drive the Indiana economy. Business at the Brickyard. It's front row access you won't want to miss. State, hospital, and university leaders on Tuesday unveiled a new collaboration to expand healthcare training, research, and access to care across Indiana.
The Crossroads Academic Medical Institute, or CAMI, will connect universities, health systems, and clinical training sites to form a coordinated statewide network focused on medical education, research, and clinical training. Governor Mike Braun and university and healthcare leaders announced CAMI on Tuesday at Vermillion University, where they also detailed its long-term vision to strengthen healthcare access and workforce development. Marion President Daniel Elsener said by bringing higher education, hospitals, and government together, CAMI will create an innovative approach to addressing the need statewide for physicians and healthcare professionals. The Tom and Julie Wood College of Osteopathic Medicine at Marion will serve as the academic anchor for medical education. People there will work alongside Purdue University's research and healthcare partners throughout Indiana to expand clinical training opportunities across urban and rural communities. The collaboration will also focus on working to develop new residency programs in underserved areas, strengthening the path from education to practice for physicians, nurses, and other healthcare professionals, and advancing research through shared infrastructure and collaboration. Alex Brown, Inside Indiana Business Radio.
Homeowners in Vermillion County will soon be able to apply for financial assistance to make critical repairs to their homes. The Indiana Office of Community and Rural Affairs has awarded the county a $500,000 grant to launch a rehabilitation program for low to moderate income residents. The funding will help eligible homeowners pay for repairs and upgrades that improve safety, accessibility, and energy efficiency. This is Gary Dick for Inside Indiana Business Radio on Demand.